I'm currently pursuing a psychology degree and a minor in nutrition. My hometown was Chicago, Illinois. It was really close to Wrigley Field, therefore I'm a Cubs fan. My brother goes to Loyola in Chicago, so I still have some roots there. He does the basketball production, so he always does the behind the scenes stuff at his college, Loyola University. The college that has went to the Final Four last year and hopefully this year. I think it's really cool that he goes there and does all the production because I wish I could do that, um, just to be around all the fans. But I'm currently a nanny and I work at Optic Nerve. And this whole semester, I've been working to get my personal training national certification. And in the past, I have done research in child nutrition in low income counties around Ohio, and I plan to be a part of more research projects in the near future. So, saying that, I really want to find a cure to glaucoma. Glaucoma is a leading cause of blindness, and I would love to help people who are developing to be blind, which is becoming a common trend in elders. So, glaucoma, there's tons of different types, but I really want to focus on like type 2 diabetic glaucoma or people who develop glaucoma that influences vision loss. Um, so, glaucoma can be a series of things. It can also lead to cataracts, and that's very common. A lot of people get LASIK for that. And but my story began at a young age when I wanted to be an optometrist. It started in fourth grade with my first eye exam. I thought the optometrist was super cool because he had really cool gadgets in his office, like the binocular thing that you see at the optometrist, and then you're like looking through it, and then he flips the lenses for you. I fell in love with that for some odd reason, but um, ever since I was little, I have had a reading deficiency due to my family tree. It's been throughout my father's side for ages, but hopefully I'll get over that like everyone else has besides me so far. One of my favorite senses is vision, of course, out of your five senses, but I thought it was really cool in elementary school that Beethoven did not have one of his five senses, and he was still an amazing person. So, therefore, if you can take away one of your five senses, you are still an amazing human. But I would like to be able to gain that sense back because if Beethoven had that sense that he did not, maybe he could have been a more successful musician or artist or something else. But my SMART goals and motivation. So, this is one of my three takeaways. I really enjoyed learning about the SMART goals because I've learned about these in the past. I just don't really do them. So, it's really nice to have a refresher of what they were. And then my group collaboration. I really enjoyed Dr. QE's video about group collaboration and the three characteristics you need. So the readiness, the intent to learn, and the commit and connect slash collaborate. I'm not a very well prepared person most of the time when I go in a research setting, so that was very eye opening for me that I need to start preparing before meeting with my peers. And then the time, task, and environment I really enjoyed as well for that week on week 2 because I am always in an environment I do not want to be in while I'm trying to study. If it's around kids, because I'm around kids often, or if it is in my bed, I should not ever study in my bed because I'm more tempted to fall asleep. And research says also not to do that. due to falling asleep in a bed is for sleep. But that is all I have for my portfolio.